Good afternoon. I hope everyone is doing well. This is the second video for my YouTube channel, Holistic Nutrition and Wellbeing. And today we are going to discuss very briefly regarding antioxidant foods and how they are important, right? So having said that, we need to be discussing about the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant foods. Those are basically helpful for overall health promotion. Now, what are the antioxidants? Antioxidants are the substances that can prevent or slow damage to cells caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that the body produces as a reaction to environment and other pressures, right? So what happened if we are living in a constant stress, or if there is any sort of uh, unstable environment is going around, or if you are taking junk food, if you are not sleeping well properly, if you are stressed all the time, so there are free radicals which are actually being produced inside our body. So those free radicals actually causes oxidative stress injury, and so to scavenge those free radicals, right? So antioxidant are important, and also antioxidants are called as free radical scavengers because they help in removing those free radicals which are creating oxidative stress injury inside our body. So the sources of antioxidants can be natural or artificial. Majorly, there are certain plant-based foods that are thought to be rich in antioxidants, and also there are known as phytonutrients, and phytonutrients can be flavonoids and different polyphenols which are majorly found in the plant sources, right? The body also produces antioxidants which are known as endogenous antioxidants, but here we will be knowing that what are the foods or what are the sources of food that are potentially work as antioxidant in relieving the free radical load from our body, right? Uh, all right, so we will go one by one that why antioxidant is important, and then we will be discussing about the sources. So antioxidants basically are important for healthier mitochondrial activity. Mitochondria is a cell organelle which is very important to produce energy in our body. If you are also in tissue trauma or due to inflammation and injury, if you have something or all this condition, then you have that can lead to oxidative stress injury. Also consumption of certain foods, for example, especially refined and processed foods, trans fatty acids, artificial sweeteners, if you take in a lot of quantity, then you are tend to develop free radicals in your body. Smoking is another reason, then radiation can be another reason as well, right? So what happened? So such activities, what I have explained so far, and exposures may result in cell damage, and in turn that may lead to an excessive release of free iron or copper ions, so which are known as free radicals, and activation of phagocytes. So phagocytes are the type of white blood cells with a role in fighting infection, and increase in enzymes that generate free radicals, a disruption of electron transport chain. So these are all important functions for our physiology and overall physiological functions, right? Now, the damage which is caused by these free radicals can lead to different degenerative diseases. For example, atherosclerosis, vision loss. Sometimes you might have your heart health can be compromised, and other possible conditions, also the risk factors also involved with free radical damage, right? So there are different type of antioxidants. So the most common, right, so which are not produced inside our body and which we get from the outside sources like plant sources, are vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, beta carotene, which is a type of carotenoid which is also a flavonoid, lycopene, lutein, selenium, manganese, and zeaxanthin. So these are certain antioxidants which are particularly important and which can be obtained from outside body sources. So what are the sources we need to know? Now, vitamin A we get from dairy products, egg and liver. So these are the best sources, but also we get from yellow or orange color fruits, particularly from carrot, from papaya, right? So these are the vegetarian sources that we can obtain our vitamin A from. Vitamin C is found in most fruits and vegetables, especially oranges, papaya, guava, bell pepper, broccoli, pineapple. All these things gives you vitamin C. Vitamin E, which is a very potential antioxidant, can be obtained from nuts and seeds, sunflower, and other vegetable oils, right? And particularly olive oil and other vegetable oil, and also from green leafy vegetables. Beta carotene, which is brightly colored. So if you see beta carotene, it's a red color, pigment. So it found in fruits and vegetables such as carrot, peas, spinach, and mangoes. Correct. Lycopene is a pink and it is obtained from fruits and the vegetables which are colored in pink or red, including tomatoes and watermelon. Lutein is found from green leafy vegetables, corn, papaya, and oranges. Selenium can be obtained from rice, corn, wheat, and other whole grains, as well as it can be obtained from nuts, eggs, cheese, and legumes, right? So all these things are we can get our important antioxidant from. The other good sources of antioxidants are also eggplants, also legumes such as black beans and kidney beans, green and black tea. So yeah, green tea, it contains one of the best antioxidant. Dark chocolate, red grapes, pomegranate, all the berries. So all these things are fantastic sources of antioxidant. And in vegetables, broccoli and spinach are extremely good sources. Also other green leafy vegetables, for example kale and cabbage, all these are important as well.